Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen for today, it is showing a red candle. In previous 2 days we have seen there is green candles are forming, and chances can be high that if the price keeps sustaining above this particular level, we will see a further upside. So probability is high that as soon as started going above the level of 2183, then there is a probability that it will cross its all-time high of around $2195, what we have seen that the price has touched 2 days before. Okay, overall trend is upside. As you can see, if you look at the trend from in the month of Feb, you can see that the trend is continuously on the high side. Okay, till March there was a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, now if the price started moving down, because see, if you look at the overall trend, what we have seen that whenever it is hitting a high, we have seen a fall comes. Okay, it has already hit a new high, then there is a probability that we can see the fall can come. Okay, so what you can see looking at this particular chart. Now see, let's see dollar index also, where you will understand clearly how it can move. See, if you look at the dollar index, now it is trading at a level of $102.83. Okay, and chances can be high $863. Okay, and chances can be high that two patterns are supporting it. See, first one is this opposite U pattern, and then we have seen an uptrend. After that there is a fall. So probability is high that if the price started going below a level of 102.6, a further fall in the price of dollar index we can see, which would in turn increase the price of gold, because they are inversely related. This is one of the factors. Okay, but if started sustaining this level, as we can see from 3 days trying to go upside, so once started moving above level of 102.9 and sustain above a level of 103, then there is higher chances that a further upside movement we can see in the price of dollar index, which will in turn reduce the price of gold and other commodities. Because see, it is mostly depend on the dollar, that some of, if you are importing some commodities, then you have to pay X amount of dollars. When the price of dollar increases, then you are ordering the same amount of quantity, but the price of what you pay is increases. So there is a difference in import and export, so that is where the price of fluctuates. Okay, so if the price started going up 103, a further upside we can see for dollar index, which will in turn the price of gold further down. But if it started going below a level of 102.5, then a further fall we can see in the dollar index. Then we can see gold price can move upside, and once started going up that level, gold price can move further down. Now let's see how the price of gold is moving. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Let's see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $2183, and from there a next resistance coming into 2190. As soon as the price started sustaining above 2190, we will see it will touch a level of 2196, and from there a further upside towards 2200 also we can see, and from there we can see it will go towards a level of 2010 to a level of 2020, and then towards a level of 2250 also we can see, because it's an all-time high. But as I've already explained you that whenever it is all-time high, we have seen a fall is coming. If you look at this particular trends also, all these high creates a fall. Okay, so chances can be high that if the price, because it has already formed a swing, so chances can be high further downfall we can see. Always try to set your SL, because nobody is 100% right or 100%. See, this is or what you can see on the basis of your analysis and the risk appetite. So always try to set your SL so your capital should not be wiped out. Always try to trail your SL so your profit should not be wiped out. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards its next support at a level of 2174, and from there a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2171. As soon as the price started falling below that level, the next support coming at a level of 2165 after crossing this particular level, and if that level move further down, then a further fall we can see towards a level of 2155. Keep that in mind that once the price started falling below 2155, a further downfall we can see towards 2151. That level didn't sustain, then a further fall we can see towards a level of 2145. Okay, and if the price started going below a level, further fall we can see towards a level of 2141, and then a further fall we can see that it can move below a level of 2141 to a level of around to $110, as because this is the level we can see that once the price started moving to 214, then chance of moving towards a level of 2123 and a further fall we can see. If the price started falling below a level of 2120, I'll make another video explaining you where it will go. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.